What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I'm back with another hair tutorial for you guys. If you want to see how I achieved this look right here and tips and tricks on how to customize your hairline to make it fit your hairline perfectly, keep watching this video. Hope you guys like. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to hit the bell, and I'll see you guys later. Mwah. Company I will be working with today is OOHHAIR. Here I'm just showing you the wig. It does come with 2 clips on the side, 1 clip in the back, and adjustable straps. Next, you want to take your concealer or foundation and put that on the inside of the lace like so. Once your wig is on, you want to go ahead and line everything up. Get your ear tabs to be identical with your actual ear tabs on your perimeter of your hairline. The hairline did come pre-plucked, of course, and this is a 13x6 unit. Here I'm showing you the multiple parting space that you can use. One of the biggest problems I've had with some units is the hairline being too big or going too far down on my forehead. So here I'm going to show you tips and tricks on how to pre-customize a hairline to fit your hairline exactly.
They say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know?
Once you have your hairline parted, you want to go in and start plucking out the excess hair that you will not be using on the lace. Once the top portion of the lace is complete, you want to go ahead and start cutting out the lace to match your hairline and continuing the same process on both sides.
I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know?
Next, you want to use 91% alcohol to clean the perimeter of your hairline.
I'm living in shadow. Don't you know?
I go in with the Ghost Bond adhesive using 3 thin layers while using the blow dryer in between. I like to start at the top and then work my way to both sides.
Gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. don't you know I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools.
Next step you want to do is you want to go ahead and part out your baby hairs and start laying them how you would like.
What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Next, I use my Nairobi setting foam, and here I'm just training my baby hairs how I want them to lay. After that, you want to go in and set everything with a headscarf or an elastic band, sit under the dryer for a couple minutes, and then pull them out and comb as styled.
Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
This is what your edges should look like once everything is set before you put on your elastic band or wrap strip. While you have your edges setting, you want to go in with your hot comb and your straightener and continue styling to finish up the look. To press out my hair, I will be using the product BioSilk, and I will be using my titanium babyless straightener.
I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know?
Lastly, you want to take your wax stick and lay down any flyaways or extra hairs that are sticking up. Press them out with your hot comb and your look will be completed. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I love it so much. And y'all, I did burn myself right here, so just pay no mind to that. But other than that, I did an excellent job, I think. This hair is so pretty and super, super full. The wig did come pre-plucked, and I did bleach the knots and pluck it a little bit off camera. And then once I put it on, I realized that I had to go in and customize it again to match my hairline because it wasn't matching up exactly. It came like too far down on my forehead. So I had to go back in and tweeze and customize it just a little bit more on video, as you guys seen. This is everything that I plucked, and it looks like a lot, but I promise you it's really not. My ear tabs and stuff are in here too. As far as shedding and tangling, I got like a little few snags with me brushing for tangling, and then obviously no tangling with me fingering, combing through. Shedding, I am getting a couple of strands. I don't know if you can see that, but nothing crazy. The hair did press out very nicely. It didn't get bone straight, of course, but it did get straight enough. And all I used was my BioSilk, but it did get pretty straight for the most part. And y'all, it feels so full. Like, this wig is not thin at all, does not feel thin at all for this to be body wave, and I think that helps even better. The company that this wig is from, this is a 13x6 unit. As you can see, you can do deep side parts and deep middle parts. The company is called OOHHAIR, and I got this from OOHHAIR.com. This is what it looks like on the website. As you can see, it's a body wave texture. And the wig that I got, this is, again, like I said, an undetectable, transparent 13x6 lace front wig. It is a body wave, and it does come pre-plucked. Online, it says this wig is on sale for $104, which is a very good price. Free shipping, which is 2 to 5 working days to the USA. And, of course, you get 100% money back guarantee for refund. This is Swiss lace. The color of the lace was transparent, 13x6, and the knots do come pre-bleached, and like I said, the hairline does come pre-plucked, but I went in and customized it myself. This is what the box looks like that the hair came in. It was really cute. I like the color and the font and stuff. And then they have all their social medias at the bottom. You can see inside, of course, you get the wig with the white paper. You're gonna have like a little wig net cap. It does come with an adjustable band. Elastic band that you can adjust, and you can put it in on the sides. You can take it on and off. And then a wig actually came in this little green, not green, I'm colorblind, purple little silk tie bag. Super, super cute. And then it also comes with this wig headband. I believe this is like a wig grip headband thing. I obviously didn't put that on because I did glue my hair down. But yeah, comes with this. And then lastly, it comes with the OOHHAIR brochure, which has all their information on this unit. This is 150 density, but it feels more like a 180. It is so thick, y'all. Like, I don't know if y'all can see all the way through it. Like, let's see. This hair is thick. Like, you don't see through it at all. Super, super full. The length of this wig is 24 inches. And on me, I am 5 foot even, so I will show you guys how long it is on me. And it does come past my waist to like mid hip. And like I said, I am 5 foot even, so that's a plus for me because it looks like a 26 inch on me. But yeah, again guys, this is OOHHAIR. This is their 24 inch body wave 13x6 transparent lace front wig. I hope you like this style. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.